So welcome to Structural Graphics and Multimedia. Today I'll be teaching you on how to design a corporate business card. So let's work. Now you are expected to change the weight to 3.75 3.75 and the height to 2.25. Now you are expected to leave or always keep your resolution to 300 dpi for a print job, for a better outlook on a print job. And in this business card design, we'll be creating the bleed area. If you look carefully on our background here, we have some lines to measure out our bleed area. The bleed area is the safe area that is after printing your work. When trimming the work, you shouldn't go beyond that bleed area. It's a safe area. You don't go beyond that safe area when trimming your printed graphics. So I'll teach you how to create that. Now the next step to take is to go to our tools bar, double click on our rectangle shape to select our default background shape. Here we have to create, I said it earlier, I talked about the bleed area. We have to create a bleed area using our rectangle shape. Note, the purpose of creating this rectangular shape here is to create the bleed area, that's the safe area, after printing your business card. Now what you have to do is to go to the top bar and adjust the size to create our bleed area, 3.5 by 2 and hit enter. Now what we have to do is to drag our ruler from the left side, place it this way, from our top side, place it this way, from our left side again, towards our right, from our top side again, below. Now having done this, we go back to our tools bar by the left side and double click again to create another page border. Our purpose of creating this page border is to create our bleed area. Now we go back to our top bar and adjust this to 3.25 by 175. Hit enter and take our ruler from our left to the left side, from our left to the right side, from our top to the top side, from our top below. Then we go back to our tools bar again. At our left side, we double click on it to make another rectangle. Then we take our ruler both from the vertical side and the horizontal side. Purpose of doing this is to create the bleed area, the safe area after printing your job. Now this is our result. Now whatever you want to design must fall within this place. Every of your design must fall within this place, the middle rectangle. Everything you want to design must fall within this place, the middle rectangle. What we have to do is, the next step to take is to delete everything here. Let's delete. Now we need to create a new border with our rectangular shape or rectangle tool. We double click on our rectangle tool. We are ready to design. This time we need to work with concepts. You have to have a special kind of design you want to make on your mind. But for me, I already have a special design that I want to make. I want to design a special business card I want to design. I have a concept already.